Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a feature that I have a hard time with the reason behind it. I don't know why it just can't be implemented in any other way. They talked about it in the past. It's right now being tested mostly in the insider rings. So Windows Defender, of course, or Windows Security app has many advantages and many ways of showing up. And it has all sorts of security features that are nice. It's like I say all the time, the only thing you really need, because security is not really here, but more in updates that you make and what you do online. That is 99.999% of all the security. Antivirus is a very, very, very low in the list. And if you look once again at major security experts, they're all going to tell you that, if you ask them the top security, things you should do, they're not even going to mention antivirus because they all know that it's kind of a big bluff. Companies tend to try to lure you into getting that antivirus, thinking it's better than another, but overall, the thing is not having an antivirus to prevent viruses. Is you don't want viruses, and it's not the antivirus that does that. It's what you do and the updates you actually make. But there's one feature that is kind of interesting because it could certainly help a lot of people when it will be pushed to standard versions of Windows, and it's something called Smart App Control. Smart App Control is interesting. What it does is it will actually make a list of recognizable extensions of files that are known to be dangerous. But not only the standard, you'll see that sometimes with the Smart Screen. You're going to download a .bat file or batch file, and it's going to tell you, oh, this could contain a virus, by the way. You should be careful and maybe not run it. But it goes beyond that. When I talked about and shared a couple of weeks ago the website for No More Ransom for the ransomware, you might notice that ransomware often has extensions attached to it. And what happens is that the Smart App Control for Windows 11, Windows Security, can recognize the extensions of ransomware and malware that are known and tell you, well, this from the internet, we know that it's dangerous, which I think is nice to know if you decided to download. Once again, that means you're downloading stuff that you shouldn't download because it's a security that you are breaching. When I say you are the security, you are the security. And so at least the Smart App Control could actually do it. But for some reason, and I don't know why, you have to reinstall Windows. That feature, when it's going to be pushed to everybody, the only way to have it in Windows Security is to clean install Windows, which I just don't get. Why is it that you have to clean install for that feature to be there? Apparently, it is impossible to install or update the Windows Security app to have the feature running without a clean install. This should not be, because how many people are going to clean install just because that feature exists? Not a lot of people, honestly. They'll have it if they have to do a clean install for some reason. And they'll have it if they get bitten by something like that because they clicked on a file they shouldn't have clicked and then have to clean install. But it's kind of late because you're going to get it after you've been bitten once at least. And you're going to be careful after that because you've been bitten once. It's a nonsense that a feature needs a reinstall to protect you. I don't understand that. And I guess that's my little rant here at one of the features that's coming to the Windows Security app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.